Welcome to this beautiful home in Stratland Estates. It sits on a spacious cul-de-sac lot. It has 4 bedrooms, plus a den, and 3 full baths. It's the perfect blend of comfort and space. The open layout makes it easy to gather with family and friends. The kitchen has beautiful cabinetry and a ton of counter space, and that warm, welcoming feeling that everybody loves.
Dark skies, on your face, see the northern lights. Nothing left under me. I don't miss gravity. Somewhere so far away, 'cause from here we'll never be the same. Burn the maps, take a leap.
Welcome to your own Arizona oasis, a sparkling pool, a large patio, and plenty of room to relax or entertain all year round.
In this state, I never trust myself.
And the best part is you're just steps away from the community fishing lake. You're close to dining, shopping, the freeway access, everything that Gilbert has to offer.